Today we'll be making ginger and honey milk. It does help boost immunity, and especially at this time when lots of things are going around, this will also help with cough and cold. So let's get started. We'll make about 2 glasses of milk. Just put it on low flame. I am using whole milk. You can use any kind of milk, skim milk, 2%, 1%, whichever one you drink. And bring the milk to boil. Once it comes to boil, you can add ginger and honey to it. Now I'll increase the flame, bring it to medium. Okay, so the milk is heating up now for about 3 to 4 minutes, and I have some crushed ginger and a spoon of honey, which I'm going to put it in the milk now. If you have little kids, do try it. It does help with the cough and cold. So I have been using it for my kids and it does work. And now we'll leave it on a medium flame for about 3 to 4 minutes. It will look little bit beige or light yellow in color, which is mostly because of the honey and ginger. You can see the milk is ready and we can turn off the gas. If you do like pieces of ginger, it's always good to just pour it in the glass, but as I said, I'm making it for the kids, so they do not like ginger. So I am going to use this, and okay, it's very hot right now, so we'll let it cool for some time and then it's ready to be drank. Thank you for watching the video.